We're going to go on our Easter egg hunt in our new house.
Yes!
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's get crack-a-lackin'. And look, I just saw the Easter bunny run away. Uh-oh. Which way are you going, Colleen?
Down here from the crag.
Hey, you almost stepped on something.
I'm elegant.
Make sure you look all over.
I'm looking in the chair to see if there's any in the branches.
No, I didn't see any in the branches. Which way are we going?
This way.
This way. All right. Lucky.
I
only have 2 eggs so far. You see anything? But look, he left his cottontail. Look, I'm serious. Look.
Oh, Mom.
There's cotton in there. How did that? He must have got snagged on a tree.
Oh, Mom.
All right, let's go this way. Are you going? All right. Did you see anything? Ooh, that's a big one.
Wow.
Ooh, we must have found the lucky way. Okay. Ooh, you're getting lucky.
All the way around.
Well, go ahead. We got time. See if you see any. Oh, that's a tricky Easter bunny. He put one in a tree. Oh.
He did one right by my flower.
Oh, and what color was it?
Orange.
Oh, that silly Easter. Ta. You walked right past one. I see it in my camera.
That's a tricky Easter bunny. I think two gold ones up here.
Oh, I wonder what's inside. We'll have to wait until we get inside. You see any more?
Yeah,
A pink one? Oh my goodness, this Easter bunny had a lot of eggs. Any more?
a green one. And another pink one.
Whoa, holy cow.
And another blue one.
Oh my gosh, how many did he bring?
And that's where we come.
Is that it? You see any? Let's go up on the stairs and make sure we didn't miss any. None on the ground? Alright, check the stairs. Did we get them all?
I want to check it.
Alright.
It was in here like it was a cat.
Alright, it's hungry. We're going to go.
Easter bunny.
Alright, we're going to go inside, I think, and open up eggs. So, you ready?
I think it started to rain, Mom.